Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate again and I'm back with another tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna help you fix the problem if you are facing while you are trying to log into your Instagram account. If you can't log into your Instagram account, make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's start. The first troubleshoot guide maybe make sure that you have proper internet connection working on your device. You can also try switching your internet connection to your mobile data. You can just simply turn off the mobile Wi-Fi and turn on the mobile data and then again switch back to Wi-Fi, or else you can also simply turn off the Wi-Fi and then again and turn on airplane mode for a minute and then again switch back to Wi-Fi and then try to log into your Instagram. And if you are still facing the problem and you can't log into your Instagram account, you have to make sure that your Instagram app is updated to its latest version. Open Play Store, search for Instagram, and then in here if your app is not updated, you will get update option where I have opened. So simply update your app and then try to log into your account, and if still not, again open the settings. In here tap on app and now search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram and then in here tap on storage and cache, and in here tap on clear cache. When you tap on there, all the temporary files linked to your Instagram will get cleared, and again try to log into your Instagram account. And if this still doesn't help you, head back to Chrome and then search for Instagram and then try to log into your Instagram account, and in this way you can simply log into your Instagram account. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you next time.